Hey! In front of me is REALME C11 2021 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Apple Layout on this REALME. Firstly, open Play Store and click on the search bar. Over here you need to type iOS Launcher and after that download this free app from this developer. Now open it. Click while using the app, tap on Allow. And finally, choose Home button. Over here you need to tap on iOS Launcher, then select Always. Click OK and finally got it! As you can see, Apple Layout was applied successfully on my Android. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!